Man, this National Geographic's on this bitch. Got the squirrel on the feeder, parrots fighting over their feeder. Don't get no better than this. Loving it. They got two dominant parrots on the feeder. They've been keeping everybody else off of it. They like the bullies. And got that third one up there. They letting him get a little bit. There goes the squirrel. He going for another nut, another peanut. And up the bungee cord. Nature. All on my front porch. That's what's up. Check out the other ones on the lines, and then they got about 10 more up in the trees that you can't even see. Look at them, they trying to come in on the other two. Watch they run them off. They be fighting over that food. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love them. I'd rather see them free and feed them and they come and visit me than to ever try to put them in a cage. No. Another squirrel gonna be back soon. Come on, Mr. Squirrel. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the feeder, 1 on the bungee cord, 3 more on the telephone line, or the electrical line rather. Wow. That's my flock of parrots. Not a flock of seagulls, but a flock of parrots. Little sparrow getting his too. Those sparrows get in there and sneak them a sunflower seed or two. Usually I have both feeders full with sunflower seeds, but I gotta make these last, so I put them in one, and they're going crazy over that one feeder. I had them spoiled with the 2 feeders. Tomorrow I'm gonna fill up the side feeder by my kitchen. And they're gonna be like flying all around the house looking for it. And so then I'll be able to get really close up on them in my kitchen because I got a bamboo sunshade. Oh, there go the squirrel. The Blanca. Blanca want them suckers, boy. You want them, I'm blind. You want them, I'm blind. I know you too. Look at the squirrel, he went back up the telephone line. God dog. Wow. He moved quick. He cleared out everything. Except for the one bad parrot still on the feeder. Here comes another one. Wow. That was awesome, man.